Just get after it and have fun. That's how you break motors in. Give it some gas. Just don't rev it up to 5,000. Keep it down there about 3,500. 25 to 3,500. Quarter to half throttle. That's your break in. Nothing too extreme. Gas is still on?
Yeah.
Still in neutral? Give it about a minute warm up before we get out there. Another short screwdriver. Dark out here. Should be about twice that for braking the motor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just starting to run when he shifts.
Well, you ain't even snapping.
No, I gotta get a little more gas in that.
Yeah.
That's easy break-in. Nah, we don't do the easy break-in. We run the snot out of them. Break them in hard. Like that, break it in hard.
You do Tatro, you break the hard, huh?
Yeah, I'll break it hard like that.
Repair it. With the good machines.
Yeah. Hear him running down the block there with it. Yeah, it doesn't sound like he's revving it very hard. That doesn't sound like a 3,500 RPM to me.
No. That's below 2,000 RPM.
No, he's about 2,500 there, Phil. That sounds like.
When you go home?
No, he's going to run the block.
That's not around the fucking block.
It's a long ass block. Yeah, maybe he's going to go home and go around the block.
He's going to go to the skyscrapers and come back?
He's going to go ride the block. He's going to go home and go ride the block.
He's way the fuck down there.
Yeah, he's around the block. Yeah, the block's way the hell down there.
Yeah, he like, yeah, those back streets are too dark.
That sounds totally different now. All right, we'll be back when it gets closer. I'm like going fucking through squat. There we go. All right, Scooby. Come on, let's go. Get out of the way. Come on, get over here. That's a little better. All right, we'll get it. Around the block, huh? Which block did you go around?
Just down there, then came back.
The one down there by the bay?
You wasn't hauling ass?
What RPM did you get up to? It wasn't much.
No, like 3, just over 3.
That was 3? Oh, shit. Gotta get more throttle. You about twice what you're doing.
Yeah.
More load and a little more RPM under it.
Yeah.
Definitely like twice the load, babying it. So carbureting good? Feeling good?
Yeah, it feels good. Responsive, sharp.
Same as it was or a little better?
A little better.
Good. Good. Yep, that's a combination of the better valve sealing and the piston ring in there.
Right.
Let's see what the oil level is. I think it's still low.
Yeah, probably.
Here, hold the seat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, there's no oil in it. Yeah. All right, so you need to put some oil in it before you ride it too much.
Yeah.
You're just going to foam up the oil and not do much lubrication to it.
Right.
All right, well, there you go. Seems like it runs. Scooby likes it. Scooby likes everything. What are you doing, Scooby? Scooby dog.
Good boy.
Yeah, it's good dog. All right, well, there you go. You can't see squat in the dark, but it runs good.